So here are the three ingredients we'll be using. First, you add your 1/4 cup of water into the pot. You add your half cup of sugar. You stir it, just stir, and before you know it, it will get clear. Then you add your 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Just buy lemon, juice it, and take 2 tablespoons and add to it. Then set it aside. Put another pot, but me I know they put another pot. I wash off because it's just this pot I use for baking. I wash off and put the pot back. Now you're going to add the remaining half cup of sugar into a dry pot. Pot where no water no day. Even if there is water, it will just be like, those kind of small water that you just want to dry up. Now let it cook or steam undisturbed. Don't stir it, don't do anything. Gradually you will see it changing color until everything dissolves. What this process is called is caramelizing. You watch it caramelize. Then you add the first syrup you made and set aside. When you add it, you have to also take it easy because the steam can be very hot. You add it, then you stir and allow it to steam for another 5 to 7 minutes. Just keep stirring, and then once you have been able to incorporate everything together, it has mixed properly, all those ones that are clogged together has properly dissolved, you off your gas and set it aside, or you can turn it into a plate. You can see how liquid it is. Can you see? It's runny, very, very runny. No panic, just keep it and allow it sit for a few minutes. As time is passing, it's getting thicker. As time is passing, it's getting thicker. Can you see? It's getting thicker. But don't go too far. Stay close. Can you see? You can now see how very, very thick it is. Introduce it into a tight container and set aside. Now, if you don't put it into a container at this consistency and set aside, it's going to continue to clog up together until it blocks. Yes, until it will now be so strong. So ensure to put into a tight container. It can be a bottle, it can be a plate, anything that has cover, and voila, your golden syrup is ready. With this, you can make the yummiest fruit cake ever. You can use it to layer your cakes. You can use it to crumb coat. Yes, especially your wedding cakes. Yes, it helps it last longer. Cheers. Like, comment, and share. And don't forget to give me my flowers if I deserve it. Bye.